Hey everyone, welcome back to FKW. Okay, this one goes out to Renee and others. Renee was asking about a paring knife and a steak knife. There's so much that goes into this that I don't know where you want to go with it. Did you want a bone handle steak knife, refurbished? Or did you want me to do something from scratch? A paring knife. You can go metal handle, even steak knife slash paring. I just don't know where you want to go. When you deal with refurbished knives, you're going to be dealing with, they're all stainless steel, but you're dealing now with things that are cheaper for me to manufacture. Once we get down here, now you're dealing with all custom blades, all heat forged by us. Let's go through what we got going on here. Let's start it back up here, Helen. All right. These are primarily used, you can use it for paring, but these are typically used for fishing and so forth. And clamming. And then you also have, these are refurbished. These were original butter knives or slash steak knives that I just took and ground the back out of. I've done this on other vids. And sharpened them up. All with antler handle. So you have different sizes going on here. Forks, spoons. See, I don't know what people are looking for. This is why it's so hard to do a website, because I can do this all in custom wood, but it's difficult because there'd be so many different augmentations of this style. Ferro rods come in 3 styles. Okay. These are your typical ferro rods. P38, striker, and lanyard. All right, these are your typicals. Now, I have hundreds of these. So just remember, they're all going to be a little bit different. This is natural deer antler. These are called cherry picks. Cherry picks have the same thing. P38, a different striker, but they'll have the orange. Some of them, cherries, will have green because it's going to be a large piece of antler. Obviously, more antler, more money. These are your super cherries. This is what you saw in Kevin's video. All right. These have the can opener, or the bottle opener, the can opener, the lanyard, a big piece of antler, and this piece here, which is a tool and a measuring stick. All right, so now you can see the different sizes on these. Also, you have finished knives. Okay, this one is African tulip. This is this one, yeah, this is the 10 1/4 inch knife with sheath. These are your 7-inch knives. This is all done in red oak. This is a 7-inch knife done in red oak, corrugated for grip. And this is the last, well, until I get to the kids, of the 9-inch with bolster, red oak, and that's that knife. Then I have kits. Now kits, what they are, this knife, this is red oak, with the brass pins is this knife. You make your own knife. Your blade is already sharpened. It's already polished. That's all done for you. You are going to take all of this off and put your own personality into it. That's what that's all about. And you also get the sheath with this. The sheath will not be done. You will finish the sheath. I will give you directions. This is that knife. Blade's done. Again, polished, sharpened. Everything's ready to go. You're going to finish it to your hand. Obviously, on kits, you're going to save money. This knife right here is going to cost you around $200 shipped. This knife right here is going to cost you $175 shipped.
And includes the sheath, right?
Yes, they all include sheaths on the finished knives. This knife right here is going to cost you $225 shipped. Now, here you go. $200 shipped. This one shipped to you. You finish the sheath. I'm going to give you the leather. I'm not going to give you the thread. I'm not going to give you the contact cement. You're going to have to figure this whole thing out. I will give you directions. I already gave you the layout. It's only going to cost you $85. So you're saving $115 buying this block of wood. Your blade's already done now. This knife is going to cost you $75. That's this one. You do it yourself, put your own personality to it. These here are $30. This Pharaoh setup. That's the super cherries. The cherry picks, and the reason I call them super cherries, because there wasn't much more I could do with them. They had to have all that bone. I had to waste a lot of antler to do this, and it is what it is. Antler is not cheap. These are cherry picks. Cherry picks are $25. That's including shipping. Everything's done. And these are your regulars. These are $20 shipped. Get into the spoons. All right, spoons, forks, and knives. Spoons and forks are $20 a piece, shipped. The knife portion of the antler, these are $30 shipped. The metal portion of these knives here, and this is all the refurbished stuff now, these are $20 shipped. And I have so much more. I have so much to go through here in boxes. I have holsters that are holdovers from my company. Just give me the caliber of holster you're looking for, right hand, left hand, and I'll let you know if I still have it. These are reduced prices. I did not make these. These are from Tagua, but they're all leather. I still have left over from a gun shop. I think it's this box. Oh, this box is all leather purses, as a matter of fact. These leather purses all have holsters built into them. These are left over also. I did not make these. So we have special prices on these. I'll try and find where it is. Yep, pistol holster here. Black leather purse here. You can hear Junior going off. I guess he doesn't like the moon either. But it's got a holster built into the purse.
And most of these lock.
Yes, they all have locks on them. Key and lock. But I have them in... They even have fanny packs, but these are in Cadora. The fanny packs are done in Cadora. Again, I did not make these. Yep. There's your pistol holster inside of that. I've got a lot of different things that I deal with. Plus we make our own belly bands for a pistol. We're working on, somebody's already coined the phrase, and I already did it before. Somebody picked up on it, so I guess lethal lace. We've got fabrics that we're going to use for women to put around them, almost like a garter, like a man's belly band, that they can actually put their sidearm in. And that's about it. I got all my boxes. Everything's here. Envelopes, boxes, shipping labels. Everything's arrived. We're good to go. I'll see you in the next upload. You all have a blessed day. Now you got an idea. I will put the link in the below, in the description box. And if you're interested, there's how we work. All right? Blessed. One last thought. I forgot about this. For those of you that might want to become a dealer from me, you're going to get it a lot cheaper. It's not a huge amount, but I'm going to tell you right now. The way my pricing's set is for the area that I live in. So if you're out in Cali, Washington State, New York, wherever you might be, you're going to get higher prices for these things, because when I ship, I can put 100 ferro rods in a box, and it's that one flat rate instead of every ferro rod being a flat rate out to a customer. Just an idea for you guys. So if there's something you want to do, maybe start your own business on the weekends, I'll cut you a deal and we'll work from there. Blessed day. Talk to you in a little bit.